Hello and welcome to mobrokerage.com. Today we are at Kohinoor and we have Sabha ma'am with us. Hello ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon.
Ma'am, first of all, thank you so much for your time. Ma'am, can you please tell me more about Kohinoor Group, like their vision and their legacy?
Absolutely. Kohinoor is a beautiful and strong developer in Pune city. We have got a legacy of 40 years plus in this segment of real estate. We have got around 40, I would say 13 sustaining projects of residence and 6 ongoing, completed more than 13 odd residents in Kohinoor, completed 1 commercial project and 2 ongoing. We have also introduced a department known as redevelopment. In redevelopment with Rohit Joshi sir and Rohit Joshi group, we are coming up with 8 projects under it. The very first project is Westview as the landmark project as Salisbury Park. We have got Saras as Saras Park. We have got Metropolitan Mayfair at Botlap Road and other locations which is ongoing, which we'll be discussing later. But yes, Kohinoor is a brand which is known for its strong transparency, beautiful, strong construction, quality parameter, and giving a commitment which nobody else can achieve or do it. So Kohinoor is there because we are trusting on Kohinoor's words.
मैम, कोहिनूर का ऐसा कौन सा एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो बायर ने डेफिनेटली कंसिडर करना ही चाहिए?
कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट है? We have got multiple locations. सब कंसिडर करना चाहिए. We have got in Bakad, we have got Hinjewadi, we have got in Baner, redevelopment projects. We have got Saras, we have got Westview. So there are multiple locations. Kohinoor is not hiding from any location. So you name it and we have got the location there.
हम इतने सालों से कोहिनूर ने लोगों का, बायर्स का ट्रस्ट कैसे गेन किया है?
With this tagline, what they go ahead with, Sada Sukhi Raho. When we speak about Sada Sukhi Raho, it's a guarantee that when you enter the house, we are always there with you. So be rest assured, we are with you in your apartment. So that is the gain of transparency and the commitment that the developer gives to every client.
ठीक है. And ma'am, from how many years we are working in this industry?
Oh, I'm a baby in this organization with them. It's just been 1 year. I am working as an assistant general manager for sales in redevelopment vertical. But when I have to speak about my bosses, Mr. Vinit Goel, sir, and Mr. Rohit Joshi, sir, both of them have been very experienced in this organization and this segment. So yes, when we talk about our developers and the directors, no doubt we can get the quality that one individual seeks for with the transparency.
And what is one thing that every buyer should check beyond RERA?
Beyond RERA, the brand name. I would say a brand name is very much considered.
पुणे में आपको क्या लगता है अपकमिंग 5 to 10 years में ऐसे कौन से लोकेशन है जो डेफिनेटली ग्रो करेंगे, जहाँ पर अभी हम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं?
Of course, there are both the sides of the movement. There is East Pune and West Pune. It's already expanding so much. So you select any zone, we are already present there. So yes, both the sides is going to go ahead well.
And ma'am, what advice would you like to give जो अभी 2026 में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं या घर खरीदना चाहते हैं?
The advice that we would go ahead is that when you're looking for your hard-earned money to be invested in a property, have a recce not for the product but the developer, and you will get your answer straight. Kohinoor is very transparent with their transaction, very transparent with the quality product. So be rest assured, you will get something what we promise you for.
Ma'am, one last question.
Yeah.
Why Kohinoor? Buyers ने या investors ने क्यों choose करना चाहिए?
As I'm telling you, it is because we are very clear with our transaction. We are very transparent with our movement. So we don't do false commitment. तो जो है वो है. हम वहाँ पे बहुत straight है and हम बोलते हैं ना, सदा सुखी रहो. So वो हम हमेशा करते हैं.
That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice talking.
Pleasure talking to you as well.
If you want to invest in Kohinoor's any project, then contact on this given number below or visit nobrokerage.com for more details.